Are you thinking of buying in bulk from pairperk.com? Before you spend your money, POB money, you might want to hear what we uncovered because this review could save you from making a risky purchase. Pairperk.com presents itself as a professional-looking online store that sells bulk plastic folding chairs, especially targeting event planners, party organizers, and venues. Their featured item, the Pairperk Hercules series plastic folding chair, looks appealing with a sleek product page, decent photos, and what seems like a great deal. But as we started digging, things quickly became suspicious. The product images they use are not original and are actually copied from other popular chair suppliers online, which is a huge red flag. The website's domain was just registered on May 10, 2025, making it barely weeks old. Yet it claims to be a reliable source for large volume orders. We also noticed the contact details listed on pairperk.com are the same as those used on other low-trust or potentially fake websites, which seriously questions the authenticity of their operation. Even more concerning, there's no information about who owns or runs this business, and no verified social media presence or traceable company history. The only reviews on the site are overly positive, vague, and clearly generic, likely fake testimonials added just to make the store appear trustworthy. While it's not confirmed whether the site is outright scamming customers, there are simply too many inconsistencies and red flags to ignore. If you're considering placing an order with pairperk.com, especially a large one, think twice, because while the site might look convincing at first glance, the risks underneath the surface are just too high to overlook.